This is Proscenic P13 vacuum. This is a wireless vacuum as well. They sent this unit for our review and I'm kind of in love with it. This is really, really nice. Let's talk about, the basics right away. This is the brains, the vacuum itself, the pump is all in here, the filter as well. And look at this, you can actually just press a button and you've got everything here. The filter comes off. You can actually clean the filter. It is a replaceable or a cleanable filter, I should say. So that's a nice thing. You don't have to change it every so often. And look at this. Boom, done. And extremely light, but there's no battery yet because they do have, that comes with the battery just like this. And we're going to slide it in. Now we've got the full weight. It's still extremely light, super comfortable, very nice in my hand. And then there we go. Nice. Very nice. So we've got a turbo mode as well. I could feel the air going all over the place, which was nice to have. And there's a different button right here. So you've got the button that I just showed you right here below, but there's a button right here that actually trashes the or takes the entire trash out. So I'm going to press the button and show you what that does. Look at this. And then you have access to the actual filter. So this filter here can be cleaned out. And then let's put it back. See how easy that is to put back? I don't know. I've never done it. We'll see. This is interesting because it took me a little bit to actually figure it out. What you need to do is not focus on this end here, but focus on the top right there. So I'm going to nudge in the top first. And then once that's done and I'm lined up, you'll see. There you go. So it takes a little bit. Of course, you're not doing this every single day. Clearly, so that's a nice thing, but as soon as it's on, it is on. The other thing I wanted to mention as well is that button right here, that trigger button. You don't have to hold it, and I think that's a cool thing. I haven't seen other vacuums do this just yet, but you don't have to hold it to actually vacuum the entire time or have it on. Press once, and it turns on in its first speed. Press the second time, you've got the turbo. That's cool. So let's talk about the adapters. So let's talk about the stuff that it comes with. Of course, you've got some extenders because you want to have this as a standing vacuum. But if you didn't, and it does have that nice roller at the bottom, you could actually just set it up without the extender and have a mini looking vacuum. If you want to go around the car, for example, if you've got stairs to do, check this out. This little thing is its own vacuum just like this. You don't have to, it doesn't look like a vacuum necessarily, but super easy. Press a button, take that out. Press another button, and we're actually adapting it to the next, boom, just like that. So that's the cool thing, is that it's very adaptable. There's so many different ways. Yes, you can use the roller brush everywhere, but it also comes with a really nice, look at that, clip, with a nice little wand with some brushes, especially good in the car on upholstery and on a sofa. Very, very cool. Let's take that out and then use one of my favorite tools for the car, especially the wand, that crevice tool. So if you want to go in deep places, in dark corners that you don't really necessarily go with other types of vacuums, this is a great thing to have, of course. And it does come with a charging cable, of course, because it is a wireless battery that's adapted right here. And the really nice thing, and I haven't taken it out of the box, but they have a bracket, wall bracket, where you can actually just bring in that vacuum and attach it to the wall. As soon as you put it on the bracket, it starts charging, so it's always charging when it's on the wall. I think this little thing is fantastic. I think Proscenic just found a way to create some really nice looking vacuums with some incredible power and some great features. I'm really happy.